Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to build a landing page on Beehiiv. Open up your dashboard. Now go to Settings and then go to Publications. Now go to Subscribe Forms and click on Create New Form. Now add a name for your subscribe form, fill in description, and fill in the other options. Then click on Save. Now click on View, and a new window will come. Now copy the shown link or the one you want. Now go to your dashboard and click on the Start Writing button. Now name and design your post as you see fit. Now write / and select Code Block. Now paste the copied link and now click on Preview to see it. Preview your post to see how it looks. Now save it as a template and publish it. And that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.